Okay. Let's see what's given in the question. A park is shaped like a rhombus. Okay. So there's a rhombus A, B, C, and D. Has an area of 96. Area of rhombus is given by half of product of diagonals. If the diagonals are D1 and D2, let's say half of D1 into D2 must be equal to 96. So what is D1 into D2? 96 into 2, that is 192. If 40 meter of fencing is needed to enclose the park, then the cost of laying electric wires along its two diagonals is what? Two diagonals, that means I'm looking for D1 plus D2. I'm looking for what? D1 plus D2. I also know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degrees. This is half of D2. This is half of D1. Let's say D1 by 2 whole square plus D2 by 2 whole square must be equal to how much? 100. So D1 square plus D2 square. Denominator will have 4 each here. When you multiply it, it becomes 400. So D1 square plus D2 square equal to 400. And D1 into D2 is 192. So we know the value of D1 plus D2 square equal to 400 and D1 into D2 is 120. I hope this was clear that how do we get this 10 here? It was given that 40 meter of fencing is needed. That means sum of all the four sides is 40. So one of the sides will become 10. Now what's the next step? Can we have D1 plus D2 here? D1 plus D2 whole square should be equal to D1 square plus D2 square plus 2D1 D2. Yes or no? What is D1 square plus D2 square? It's 400 plus 2 into D1 into D2. What is D1 into D2? That is 190. So effectively, what do we get here? 192 into 2. This is 4, 18, 1 carryover with 384 plus 400. So D1 plus D2 whole square is equal to 784. So D1 plus D2 must be equal to square root of 780. And square root of 784 would be how much? It will be equal to 28. Yes, sir. Now what's the next part? What is the cost of laying electric wires along its two diagonals at the rate of 125? That means D1 plus D2. This is the total wire required at the rate of what? 125. So it becomes 28 into 120, 28 into 125, which is equal to 3500. So 3500 are required.